Hey guys, Joshua here. I just thought I'd give you a truck update. It's been over a year probably, or close to, and I thought it'd be about time to show you what I've done and where it's at. So this is it. It's been a while. No longer that cream color. Got the interior looking nice. Show you the front. So there's been quite a bit of work done to it. Yeah, so just off the top of my head, did a full tune-up for it. So new spark plugs, wire, rotor, new leaf springs, new power steering pump, alternator, lots of just little odds and ends that are easy to do and just make the truck run more efficiently. Yeah, it's looking really nice. A lot of fun to do. Got a new little outlet port to put in there because this one stopped working, so only 12 bucks on Rock Auto, so paid more for shipping. And then I was hanging out with the buddy and I got a lens cover. I got the components back here. It's just kind of doing a cleanup of it, and yeah, they fit perfectly right here. And the other one, still original, still kind of on there. This port works and everything, so I'm thinking about putting a light in there, but maybe not because it won't be covered, because I only have the one cover there. But yeah, the box has been done. Yeah, just a short little video to give you guys an update on it, and later in a day or so I'll be leaving the shop here. I'm going to take it for a wash and then bring it back home, and then yeah, might be up for sale. Hard to let go of something you work so hard on though. Cash should be worth it. Oh, one more thing that I did do, just as a little, just because it's a red and black thing. Of course I had to do differential cover. That way when I'm rocking down the street, get to see it. Oh yeah, gas tank's brand new too. Lots of new stuff on this rig, and been a whole learning experience, and so it's been pretty cool to be able to work on it with friends and watch YouTube videos, try experiment things on my own, that now once I do sell it, I can use those skills for another project or something. But yeah, cheers everybody, and thanks for watching.